Hi, I'm Sarala Gupta. You are welcome on my channel saralagupta.com. I'm making today chickpeas cucumber salad, and this is good for health and good for weight loss. I will show you how to make it. For cucumber chickpea salad we need of course lettuce. This is romano lettuce, and we need the cherry tomatoes and cucumber. Because this is cucumber salad, we need cucumber and chickpeas. This is already boiled, and this is a red bell pepper, and this is avocado and coriander leaves, and this some I made buttermilk, so we have to make a dressing. So dressing and some 1 spoon black pepper and some herb. Is all mixed herb all, and little bit 2 spoon is olive oil and salt and cheese. This one we need, and I will show you how to make it. And vinegar too. We need a 2 spoon vinegar, so we can make a dressing. First we have to make a dressing. The dressing we are taking avocado, and all herbs. As a mint, cilantro, everything is there. A little 1 spoon salt. Maybe you can put the according to your taste, maybe half or you whatever. Little black pepper, and this is all coriander or mint that I have to put that. And there's some buttermilk. This one I have to put the buttermilk. Then I have to make a dressing. This is good. I have 4 spoon or 5 spoon I put that. And vinegar. Then I have to grind and I will make a dressing. This is our dressing is ready. The avocado and yogurt and everything. So we are making salad now. So first we have to put the chickpeas. The 1 can chickpeas I put. They already boiled and washed nicely. And we will put the cucumber. Cucumber also be fine, cut and everything nicely. And some bell pepper, red bell pepper. This will give a nice color. And some cherry tomatoes, and little coriander, and then some lettuce. You can mix it with that. Lettuce is according to your taste. You want more lettuce, you can put more lettuce. Then just toast it. So this is ready, and I'm putting some half spoon salt and half spoon is black pepper. Black pepper, if you like, you can put. If you don't like, don't put it. This is cherry tomatoes. You can put the little vinegar if you like more little taste. And if you like, you can put the honey too if you want little sweet. So now I have to put this on dressing. This dressing is very healthy to eat. The avocado and everything is very nice. All this our salad is ready. Then this is our final salad is ready. I put more dressing little. Then I have to put the cheese. Any cheese you want, you can use. If you want put the nuts, you can put the nuts too. Maybe a walnut or cashews, whatever you want, then you can put that. Our salad is ready. So everything is ready and very nice and sweet. You will like it. Thank you for watching, and if you like, just share it. Share.